This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. Are you guys with me? What happened? Nobody is responding. Okay, fine. Let me only start. You people taking time to respond. See, yesterday we were discussing about what you said, CSV files with dialect. Correct, right? Yes or no? Hello. Yes. Okay, fine. Now, how we can take the help of that particular CSV files to perform operations on different types of dialects, different types of operations, how we can perform is what we are going to see right now. Clear, right? Okay. So first of all, what is meant by dialect? What is meant by dialect? What happened? Not responding. Which enables the restriction. Okay, fine. So condition basically which enables the restriction for performing an operation. Okay, fine. Now, group of parameters to define CSV. Okay, fine. We can proceed with the next one. One second, I'm opening this. Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes. Now, just check it out. Here, yesterday we have discussed about dialect, and that is just I think I have provided the definition, right? Yes or no? Yes. Now, in today's session, how that particular dialect will be there, how that works with our program is what we are going to see right now. You can check it out. With open person.csv. We are opening person.csv in write mode. Leave about this dialect for the time being. Whenever it comes into picture, I'll explain about that. First, We are opening person.csv in write mode. Then writer equal to csv.writer f. See, f is a alias for this particular person.csv which has opened in write mode. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Leave about this dialect. Just wait for a few more minutes. You'll get to know. Now, for row in person. See, person means you have got list of lists available. From list of lists, first we will take one list. Using this writer, I will write one row. That means one row will be written. Then second row, then third row, then fourth row. Like this, row by row, I will be writing. Finally, I will close my file. Is that clear? Except dialect, is that clear? Everything in this program? Okay. Now, here, what are we doing over here with respect to your dialect? See, csv dot register dialect, my dialect, you can check it out. I'm creating one dialect whose name is my dialect. Is that clear? Yes or no? I'm creating one dialect whose name is my dialect. Then quoting equal to csv dot quote underscore non-numeric. That means whichever non-numeric data is there, for that I'm saying please provide quotation. Here everything is non-numeric data only. So for that quotations will be provided whenever the content is written into person.csv. Just check it out. Person.csv file will get created. See, quotations are there. Clear now? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now what I will do, I have got numeric data. Now I will execute. Check it out. See, only for non-numeric data, quotations are there. For numeric data, there is no quotations. Is that clear? Are you guys with me? Hello? Yes. Okay. Fine. Let me go for next one. Here we have got quote underscore non-numeric. Skip initial space true. Basically, here whenever we are writing the content, here if you don't want any space, at the time we will specify skip initial specify. Skip initial space true. Whenever you specify skip initial space, automatically spaces, extra spaces before our content will not be displayed. Okay, na? Next. Here, quote, we have got all. Whenever if you specify, next one, that is quote all, irrespective whether it is numeric or non-numeric, for everything, quotations will be provided. This is another dialect. Is that clear? Okay. Next, we have got quote none. That means it won't provide any quotations. By default, it will be quote none. Whereas if you want, by default, it will be quote none. If you want any other types of quotations, at that time, you can take the help of this particular dialect and you can provide different types of quotations over here. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. So this is first usage of your what you say dialect. Next, what are the other uses of dialects we are going to see right now? Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Hmm. Here, what are we doing? Could you please check it out? It is very similar to our previous program only. Yes, correct. Okay. Here, everything is same like previous program. Only extra thing what I have added over here is I have specified delimiter, this one. Delimiter hyphen I have provided. Got my point, right? I'm providing delimiter hyphen. Whenever I provide delimiter hyphen, automatically what happens whenever the content it is writing, that all the content it will be having hyphen as a separator. Previously by default comma will be the separator. Right now we are specifying delimiter as a hyphen, so it will take hyphen as a separator. Is that clear? Let me run this. Check it out in dob.csv. See, data is separated with a hyphen. Clear now? Okay. Next. Now, see here. Next thing. What are we doing over here? What are we doing over here? Anybody is there to answer? Hello. Delimiter as a pipe. Okay. Separating rows slash n4. What is that slash n? You can see it. we are using delimiter as a pipe, and line terminator slash or slash n, slash or slash n. What is meant by slash or? What is the meaning of slash or? Yes, slash r is just very similar to your next line only. Slash n and slash r both are same. Remember this. Got my point, right? Where here we are providing slash r slash n slash r slash n. That means if you just check it out, it provides 4-line gap. Okay, now it provides 4-line gap between each and every content what it has written. You can check it out. Now we'll write this row 4 lines gap, this row 4 lines gap, like this. If you just check it out, line terminator, where is line terminator? See, 4 lines of gap will be there. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Like this, for each and every content, if you want to provide, let's say line terminator, otherwise space terminator, field separator, whatever it is, everything is possible with respect to our dialect. Okay, now? Yes. Now we'll go for next one. So what are we doing over here? Putting quotes. Okay. See, everything remains same. Only thing is here. See, quoting equal to quote all we are mentioning. At the same time, quote character we are mentioning cap. Got my point, right? Yes or no? Check it out. Quote characters. If I go to quote characters, where is it? See, cap symbol. Like this, whichever the special character you want to use it as a quotation character, you can specify by taking the help of dialect. Is that clear? Not only cap symbol, anything. There is no rule like only cap symbol has to be used, only this character has to be used, like that. Carrie, is that clear, ma? Okay. Now we'll go for next one. CSV7, CSV8. So what are we doing over here? Why you people are not speaking only? Okay, fine. Let me tell you. Previous example, if you just check it out, till previous example, every time we were holding the data, either one list of data we used to hold, otherwise list of lists we used to hold. Correct, right? Yes or no? Yeah. But in this example, if you just observe, we have got list of dictionaries. We have got list of dictionaries. This is first dictionary, second dictionary, third dictionary. Now, how to write list, otherwise list of list? It is very easy and we have seen previous examples. But this examples will help you to write list of dictionaries. That is, we will take the help of dict writer. Now you can see with open peak.csv. In write mode, I am opening this particular file as CSV file. Next, you can check out, we have got a list of fields available, that is mountain as well as height is available. Using writer, I am pointing to this particular CSV file with the help of dict writer. Previously, I was using writer. Right now, I am using dict writer. Clear? So far? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next, what I am trying to do, using dict writer on that particular CSV file, first I am writing the fields. Fields in the sense, mountain, height will be written into that CSV file. That list, whatever I have written, that I am considering it as a header. So far, whatever the content I have written, that will be considered as a header. Then writer write rows data. That means whatever the content is there in data variable, the complete content I will be writing into this particular CSV file. We will be writing into this particular CSV file. With respect to that particular fields, each and every data will be written. Now, for mountain, what is the data? For height, what is the data? For this mountain, what is the data? What is the height value? All those things will be printed. Then we are closing the CSV file. Is that clear? Now, you can check it out. Writing completed. It will take you to peak.csv. Where is this? Like this, header will be written. Then we are writing that particular data. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Fine. Let me go for next one. Okay. So, what are we doing over here? Anybody is there to guess? Hello?
Yeah, it
Hello.
was same as this example, but here we are using delimiter as pipe with coating all quote all.
Sorry, sorry.
It is same as the previous example, but here we are using a delimiter as pipe
Hmm.
and coating we have given as a quote all, and we
Okay.
are fill names as a name and grade.
Okay. Fine. Here it is like creating table with the fields. Okay. Same previous example only. Got my point, right? Previous example only. In previous example, with the name of data, I have created one variable. Under that variable, I have stored the data. Correct, right? Where right now I didn't create the variable, where that data itself directly I have supplied here. You can check it out. That's it. Some people they will be doing this kind of things also. To show that yes, that works, I have shown this example. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next. Let me go for next one. Now also you'll get the same result. No change in gray.csv. You just go and check it out. Same result, you'll get it. Clear now? Next. Hmm. This you can leave it. This is a half-cooked program. Okay. This is what your CSV file operations is all about. At the same time, decorator is all about. Okay, now? Yes or no? Okay. Now, let me go for next concept. Write down heading XML. Heading XML. What is the full form of XML? Hmm. What is the full form of XML? Extensible markup language. Okay, finally someone said. Okay, write down XML. XML is a markup language. Markup language means tag-based language. Okay, na? XML is a markup language which is meant for holding the data in the form of tags. Clear, right? Which is meant for holding the data in the form of tags. Are you guys with me? Yes. Next, XML is case sensitive. XML is case sensitive, where opening tags and closing tags need to be opened and closed in a same pattern. Opened and closed in the same pattern. Clear, right? Okay. Next one. See, who has defined XML? Is there anyone to answer? Me. What, Sushma, you have defined? My question is, who has created XML, man? Expansion, I said. Okay. That's what. Who has defined XML? It is not me, ma. Have you heard W3 organization? Yes or no? Yes. W3 organization as well as Netscape. These people, they have defined XML. Got my point, right? W3 organization and Netscape, these people, they have developed XML and they have introduced XML into the market. Now, what is the purpose? For what sake they have introduced this XML? You might ask a question. The answer is very simple. They have introduced XML into the market just for holding the data. Got my point, right? They have introduced XML into the market just for holding the data. Clear, right? Hello? Yes. Okay. As I said previously, initially they were storing the data by taking the help of text files. Because of what you say, the data retrieving, storing, as it is a tough situation, later they have introduced the concept of CSV. Again, in CSV, we are facing the issues like what you said, the commas are not properly separated, delimiters are different fashions they are providing. Because of these kind of reasons, later they have got a concept called as XML, where this XML is popular in the market now also. In olden days, this was very popular. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. One important thing what we have to consider over here with respect to XML is all the tags of XML is user defined tags. Remember this. All the tags of XML is user defined tags. Next thing. If you want, you can make a note that one. All the tags of XML is user defined tags. Next point is the opening and the closing tags, the case sensitiveness, everything you have to follow properly. Clear? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Next. Now we'll go for next one. Heading modes to parse an XML file. Okay? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. XML can be parsed. XML can be parsed with the help of two different parsers. XML can be parsed with the help of two different parsers. Those are first one, SAX parser, SAX, SAX parser. Second one, DOM parser. Got my point, right?
Second one is
DOM parser, DOM. Yes or no?
okay. What is mean by parsing?
Parser is basically a program.
Okay.
Parser is basically a program which is meant for dividing your XML content, reading your XML content.
Okay. This is only for XML, or you can use this method for all the other files.
This is only
Parsing.
for XML.
Okay. Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Now, as I said, we have got SAX parser. Second one is DOM parser. Now, Trader, about SAX parser. SAX parser full form is Simple API for XML parser. Simple API for XML parser. Clear, right? Yes. Written about this SAX parser. This is a read-only parser. This is a read-only parser, which is meant for just reading the content, from an XML file. Clear, right? Okay. Just if you want to read the content from an XML file, then this particular SAX parser is sufficient. Where if you need to do any modifications, then this SAX parser will not be suitable. Okay, no? Fine. Right on. Next point. SAX parser is forward only parser, which can be used just for transferring the control in forward manner for reading the content. Okay, no? It just transfers the content in forward manner for reading the content. Is that clear? Next. Hello. Yeah, Ramesh, what happened? Any issue, Ramesh? Okay. It's not responding. Okay, fine. Next thing. SAX parser is highly defined for larger documents as it occupies less memory space. Here, right? It occupies less memory space. That's why this is preferred for larger documents. Clear? Yes or no? Hello. Okay. See here, ma. Basically, SAX parser we will not be using in our project because it is just designed for read-only operations. If you are just reading the content, no, you cannot write the content. We cannot update the content in the sense. SAX parser will not be a good parser. So instead of SAX parser, we will proceed with DOM parser. Right? Heading DOM parser. DOM full form is, what's the full form of DOM parser? Any idea? Okay, right up. DOM full form is Document Object Model. Document Object Model. Is that clear? Okay. Next. This is a written about this. This is a parser which can perform any type of operations on the XML file. Got my point, right? That means if you want to read the content, write the content, update the content, whatever it is, any type of operations you can perform by taking the help of this particular DOM parser. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Next. DOM parser DOM parser will occupy little bit space where it is preferred for smaller documents. Got my point, right? When it comes to SAX parser, that is designed for larger documents, as that won't occupy any memory space. When it comes to DOM parser, this is designed for smaller documents, as this occupies little bit of memory space. Is that clear? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? Hello. Yes. Okay. Next point. Next and last point. DOM parser is an updatable parser. DOM parser is an updatable parser which can transfer the control in forward as well as in backward manner also. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. See, in companies, we will be preferring a DOM parser or NEMA. DOM parser can do any kind of operation, insertion, updation, deletion, everything it is possible to do. That's why this is highly preferred parser. And whenever this W3 organization, when they have introduced these parsers, what other technology people like Java people, they have derived the features of DOM parser, and they have created their own parsers like JDOM parser, and PHP people PDOM parser they have defined. .NET people some DOM parser they have defined. Got my point, right? Similar way, in Python we have got it as elementary, where this Python people they have derived the features of this DOM parser and they have defined the name as elementary. How this elementary will be used for performing operations on XML file is what we are going to see right now. Okay? Yes or no? Okay. Here is this. Let me show you a sample XML file. Here is XML. Yeah, you can see this output.xml. Here we have got one simple XML. Okay, this I will take. See, this is what the XML file which I have created on my own. Clear, right? I have created this XML file on my own. Where, if you just check it out, the opening tag of XML is users. Similar way, I have got a closing tag also. And opening tag, as I have opened this tag first, that should be closed last, because that tag is considered as parent tag. Is that clear? Yeah, same like HTML. But here the thing is, all the tags are user defined, first thing. Second thing is, in HTML, you can open small and you can close capital. Other way around also you can do it. However you want, you can open the tags and you can close it. But in XML, opening tags and closing tags, cases as well as letters, everything should be matching. Is that clear? Next, this is what called as attribute. For an tag, you can have attributes. This attribute, we are holding the value first. If you just check it out, the value first, we are providing it in double quote. Where the value, either you can provide it in double quote, single quote, otherwise without any quotes in HTML. When it comes to XML, you have to provide the value in double quotes only. Got my point, right? Yes or no? Okay. Next. See, this is what the child tag of this particular users. This tag I have closed before the parent users tag is closing. And this is the child of this user. And I'm closing before next element starts. And this is closing before the parent tag closes. This is closing before its parent is getting closed. That hierarchy you have to maintain properly. Is that clear, everyone? Yeah. If you are maintaining this particular hierarchy, case sensitiveness, all these things, then only that particular XML file is considered as well-formed XML. Got my point, right? If you are following all these rules, XML standard rules, whatever I said so far, if you are following all these rules properly, then only this will be considered as well-formed file. If you are not following the rules, then it will not be parsed by our parsers only. Remember this point. Clear? Kathy? Yes. So like this, we will be having XML files and we will be having the data available. And each and every tag, there is no rule like only one attribute should be there. You can have n number of attributes and each and every attribute can have n number of values also. There is no restriction for attributes and its values. How that particular attributes will help us in performing operations, holding the data, how we can read the content, all those things in tomorrow's session we are going to start it up. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay, fine. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye. Yes, I'll provide an assignment in tomorrow's session.